Yo, what up YouTube? It's a boy DJ 90 aka Mr Keys aka DJ 90 Keys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah guys, so I just want to appreciate each and every one of my subscribers. We just passed our first 100 subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you guys who supported the channel. So without any waste of time, today I'll be showing you how to make an Afrobeat. So let's just get straight into the video. Okay, my tempo guys is 105 bpm. That's my tempo, 105 bpm. So if you wanna achieve this kind of beat, you gotta have that kind of tempo, right? Okay guys, so I'm gonna start with doing drums. So I'm gonna show you how we do this kind of drums, right? So let's get into it. Okay guys, so we are done with drums. Now let's just add like a piano or something, so we can come up with melodies and the rest just like that. So let me add my piano. Okay guys, let's record something right now. Okay guys, so we are done with the piano. Now let's go ahead and let's add strings so that we can kind of have a backup sound, right? Yeah, let's record that. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and let's add a guitar just to give like a melody kind of sound, right? So let me add my guitar from there, then we gonna record it and we take it from there, right? Let's record and see how it's gonna sound like, right? Okay guys, so I think our guitar sound good, right? Okay guys, so let's add like a dicky vibe sound, like those sounds like marimba kind of sound, right? So let's add a dicky vibe right now. So I'm gonna use a purity. Okay, let's record guys. Okay guys, so now let's add another piano, like something that will be constant, like that will play through, right? So let's add that. Yeah, that's our sound right there. So from now let's add those flute sounds, right? So let's add those kind of sound right now. Yeah, now let's add another sound just like that, right? So this was like a flute. So now we're gonna add like a clarinet sound. Yeah, it's a vibe already guys, you know, it's a vibe already. So now let's add organ. From organ then we're gonna add a bass. Yeah, it sounds like this guys. Yeah, it's a vibe already, you know guys. This beat is, it's a banger, man. It's a vibe already. So now let's add a bass. When we are done with bass, probably we'll be done with the whole thing, right? Okay guys, so let's go ahead and record the bass guitar, right? Yeah guys, so this is how it sounds like with our bass. Okay guys, so I went on ahead, I arranged the beat, I mixed the beat, and everything sound perfect, sound good right now. So let me just play you the whole beat so you can hear how everything we did that connects with one another, so it sound the way that it sound right now. So this is how it sound like. yeah guys, so that's how you make this kind of Afrobeat. This is how you make the Afrobeat in Afro Studio. It's not really that complicated. You just not, you need to know what's happening, right? So this is how you make this beat. Thank you guys. You can go ahead and support the channel. You can like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'll see you into another one. I'm DJ 90 and I'm out. Peace.